Alright, so this Chuck Mangione song is way harder to play on the drums than it sounds. Grab your sticks and see if you can play along with me. Here we go, let's try it. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed my cover of Feels So Good. Here is a quick breakdown of the song. So you basically have 4 different drum grooves happening at the very beginning. You've got kind of the Latin-y thing. Now, it's a bit unclear exactly what the drum pattern is because there's a lot of percussion layered in there as well. But I'm basically playing 4 on the floor with the kick, and then like a Steve Gadd kind of cowbell pattern on the right hand. 1 and 2 E, E and 3 E, 1 and 2 E, E and 3 E, and then doing open hi-hat, cross stick, and tom hits with the left hand. Okay, and then the verse groove with the A section. Ba-doo-dum. There we go to that blistering 16th groove with the closed hi-hat. Okay, so just really try to stay relaxed. It's all about staying relaxed. If you want to, you can throw in an open hi-hat at the end of every bar to give your hand a break. But just remember, try to keep it nice and light. You're just propelling the song forward. Okay, then you get to the like pre-chorus part. Boot it, boot it, boot it, boot a boo ba ooh ba ooga ba boom. Okay, this is like a. It's almost just like a basic money beat, but with a offbeat hi-hat emphasis. There it is. It's like every other time you hit that last accent. Boom, boom, ba ba boom, boom, ba boom, boom. Then a drum fill. Okay, and then you go to this very Steve Gadd-esque, like a backbeat on the tom with a ride cymbal offbeat pattern. So the kick is patterned like a samba kick, and you're going with the hands. Then you have the hits. Into the final groove. This is so hard. This is probably the most difficult groove aside from the one-handed 16th groove on the hi-hat, but you've got all these open hi-hat barks. So be really patient on the open hi-hat. If you've never done that before, it is way, way harder than it looks. Just remember, your foot needs to come off the hi-hat pedal before your stick gets there to have a true, crisp open hi-hat stroke. You can play a 7-stroke roll or a 5-stroke roll into that last beat. Alright guys, that is my breakdown and drum cover of Feels So Good by Chuck Mangione. If you've never played it on drums, give it a try. It is a ton of fun. I love the song, it's so catchy. If you guys would like to check out some of my free drum stuff, you can click the link below this video to download my 150-page PDF bundle. It's got drum fill exercises, a ton of song transcriptions, like kick drum exercises, groove patterns, yeah, just lots of transcriptions that I've made over the years. So check that out, 150 pages, you can get it for free. Just click the link below this video, and remember to subscribe to the channel, and we'll see you guys next time. Take care, and have an awesome weekend.